Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money through online tutoring and teaching. Whether you're an experienced teacher or just have a passion for a particular subject, teaching online is a great way to earn some extra cash or even make a full-time income. In this video, we'll give you 10 tips on how to get started and succeed as an online tutor or teacher. Let's get started. Tip 1. Choose a niche. When it comes to online tutoring, it's important to choose a niche that you're passionate and knowledgeable about. This will help you establish yourself as an expert in your field and target the right audience. You should consider your educational background, work experience, and interests when choosing a niche. It's also important to research the demand for your niche to ensure that there is a market for your services. Tip 2. Decide on your teaching format. There are many different ways to teach online, such as one-on-one video calls or pre-recorded video lessons. The format you choose should depend on your niche and teaching style. For example, if you're teaching a skill that requires a lot of interaction, like music lessons, you may prefer one-on-one video calls. On the other hand, if you're teaching a topic that can be delivered through lectures, pre-recorded video lessons may be more suitable. Tip 3. Set your rates. When setting your rates, you should consider your niche, experience, and competition. Research what other tutors in your niche are charging to ensure that your rates are competitive. You can charge per hour, per lesson, or even per course. It's also important to communicate your rates clearly on your website or profile to avoid confusion. Tip 4. Build your website or online profile. Having a website or online profile is crucial to attracting clients and establishing yourself as a professional. Your website or profile should showcase your niche, experience, and qualifications. You can use platforms like Wix or WordPress to create a website, or create a profile on tutoring websites like Chegg or TutorMe. Building a website or online profile is an important step in establishing yourself as a professional online tutor or teacher. Your website or profile should serve as a hub for potential clients to learn more about you, your experience, and your qualifications. A website can be created using website builders like Wix or WordPress. These platforms offer templates that you can use to create a professional-looking website without any coding skills. You can include information about your services, your pricing, your teaching style, and even testimonials from previous clients. Alternatively, you can create a profile on tutoring websites like Chegg or TutorMe, which already have a large audience of students searching for tutors. These websites typically allow you to create a profile that includes your qualifications, experience, and hourly rates. Tip 5. Advertise your services. Once you have your website or profile set up, it's time to start advertising your services. You can use social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, or even create a YouTube channel to promote your teaching and attract students. It's important to tailor your advertising to your niche and target audience to maximize your reach. Tip 6. Provide high-quality teaching materials. Creating high-quality teaching materials like lesson plans, worksheets, and quizzes is essential to delivering a positive learning experience for your students. Well-prepared and organized materials help students understand the subject matter better, stay engaged, and keep track of their progress. Take the time to create materials that are tailored to your niche and target audience, and regularly update and improve them based on student feedback. Tip 7. Use video conferencing software. Video conferencing software like Zoom or Skype is essential to providing online one-on-one or group lessons. It allows you to interact with your students in real time, share materials, and provide feedback. Make sure you are familiar with the software you are using and have a stable internet connection to avoid any technical difficulties that may disrupt the learning experience. Tip 8. Offer a free trial. Offering a free trial to your potential students is an effective way to attract new clients and showcase your teaching style and expertise. It's also a great way to build trust and establish a rapport with potential clients. The free trial should give students a taste of what they can expect from your teaching and include an overview of your approach, teaching materials, and communication style. Tip 9. Get feedback and improve. Feedback is crucial to improving your online tutoring or teaching business. Encourage your students to provide feedback on your teaching style, materials, and communication. Use that feedback to make improvements and address areas that need attention. Regularly evaluating your performance and making improvements will help you stay competitive and grow your business. Tip 10. Expanding your offerings is an excellent way to grow your online tutoring or teaching business. Consider creating new courses or offering additional services like coaching or consulting. You can also hire other tutors to work under you and expand your reach. Keep an eye on emerging trends in your niche and adjust your offerings accordingly to stay relevant and competitive. Expanding your offerings is a great way to grow your online tutoring or teaching business and reach a wider audience. One way to do this is by creating new courses or developing additional services that complement your existing offerings. For example, if you're currently offering one-on-one tutoring, you might consider creating group classes or pre-recorded video lessons. Another option is to offer additional services like coaching or consulting. These services can help you build deeper relationships with your students and provide them with ongoing support beyond your regular lessons. For instance, if you're teaching a course on time management, you might offer coaching sessions to help students apply what they've learned to their specific situations. So there you have it, the top 10 tips on how to make money through online tutoring and teaching. Remember, choose your area of expertise. Identify your target audience. Determine your teaching style and approach. Create a professional profile on tutoring platforms. Set competitive pricing for your services. Build a strong online presence through social media and blogging. Leverage word-of-mouth marketing and referrals. Offer value-added services like test preparation and study materials. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge. Stay organized and manage your time effectively. With these tips, you can build a successful online tutoring and teaching business, reach a wider audience, and provide valuable education to students around the world. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your tutoring and teaching journeys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.